Can you read this again for Daddy right here? Can you read this? What's it say?
Down the back, such as a chat. Man, you don't know. You don't.
Does it say down in the big construction site?
Yes.
The tough trucks work with all their might?
Yes, they're for us.
Who's that?
Bulldozers push rock.
Bulldozers pushing the rocks? You're right. Who else?
Don't.
That's dirt. It is dirt. You're right.
Look. Who can you do it? Look, who's a fucking bee?
What's
No, the peep.
What's he doing?
And I hold the green pipe.
The crane truck's holding the green pipe?
No,
Who else? Who's this? Who's this?
That track.
Who's that?
There's that track.
And who's this?
Metal.
Mixer?
That's excavator.
That's the excavator. You're right.
That's that track.
Yeah.
Cow track. Ice, but ice. Look, good.